Hi friend, you are an AAK 100 engineer. Today I want to show you that how we want to check your motherboard problem. This is a board computer. It has a problem about a charge of IC. So the board, I want to check the board whether it's working, whether it's not working. This is a multimeter. So this is a charger. This is a charger 19 voltage. So I want to check the charger. I will choose the charger inside the inside the lines. So I want to check it whether the charger is working. This is a plus or minus. That is a negative and positive. Outside is a negative. Inside is negative. Yes, the charger is 19 voltage 20. Yes, the charger is running. So now to continue to so this motherboard, when I took the charger, this is a located IC. It's very hot. It's very hot because of water inside the system. So now I want to check the mother. I want to check the motherboard. I want to check the motherboard. Wow, 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 wow.
Isn't that your brother? Is your cousin?
This is a motherboard. The motherboard is having a problem. So let's continue to read how to check the motherboard whether it's working perfectly.